Good evening. My name is Dickson. I would like to show you how to make this simple lollipop chart. Um, you can say I make use of ZoomCharts chart. So I'm going to start in this way. I'll delete this. I'm going to start it afresh. Um, I'll use my line chart to do that. So you can see I'm using ZoomChart. So So if we go back to my actual dashboard, the one I submitted research challenge, you can see that I use quantity by month. So I'm going to start. I'll first of all I'll bring in my month. I'll drag month to date hierarchy. I'll drag date to date. Then series. I'll drag quantity to quantity quantity sold. So this is just the first step. So the next step, what I'm going to do, I'll make it bold. Make it bold so that it can be seen very well. So advanced setting, I'll make it PT so that my okay. Then I'll go to my X sizes. X sizes. That is, I'll make the font size to Vendana. Then at the same time, I will the unit alignment. So instead of left, I'll make it to be center. So then the font size too, I'll make it 14. Okay. Then for this lollipop, I don't need y axis, so I'll deactivate it. Then I'll go to config series configuration. So I'll reduce the width percent to 10. So then coming to the color, I would like to copy the color I use here. Need to copy the color. So just copy it, then come back to my so so that is the line color, then the field color. So this is the first step. Then the next step I'm going to take, I'll add the same quantity sold. So I'll bring in another quantity sold. So it will now be 2 now. So instead of that, I'll add underscore to this. Then I'll go to my setting, that is series setting. So I'll come to series setting 2. So instead of column, I'll change it to line chart. So then I'll change the line color to the same color I used before. Then at the same time, I can reduce the line width, can make it 0. I don't need the line. So all I just need here is just the label, sorry, the marker. So I'll make the marker active. I'll change it to cycle. Instead of 16, I'll make it to 50. Then I think 50 is the last. Okay. Then at the same time, let me increase it more. Okay. So at the same time, I can also activate the customer series. So this way I'm going to work on the label. So what I need to do, I will just um I'll just go down to the series value labels. So I will change the um so instead of inside, I'll just change it to value. So you can see it's already center at the center of the cycle marker. So then I'll now um I'll change this to white, the font size, the font color to white. Then I'll reduce it to 12. Then okay, let me make use of Vedana. I think it's still page. Then I'll make the background color, the background opacity to be 0, background line 0, then background line width to be 0 too. Then one thing I need to work on again is the display unit. So instead of leaving it to auto, that is automatic, I'll change it to none. So you can see. Then the decimal, okay, yeah, that is set already. I don't need to work on the decimal. Or else again. So if I make it bold, like if I make it okay, yeah, I think then I'll hide the I'll go up little, go to toolbar. I'll deactivate everything. I'll turn it off. Turn this off. Then I'll turn reset on. Then so that is if okay, I need to add day on it so that it can work perfectly, because you can drill down to day, not just stop at the month level. So you can drill down to day. So I'll add it to this. So if I click on it, it will drill down to day. Right. So then then you can format the title. You can say quantity sold by month. Then also change this to Vedana. Then make font size to be 16. Then at the same time, I would like to work on the shape too. So what I need to do, I'll just click on the effects on this general side. So I'll activate the visual borders. So I'll turn the border to white, then um, the rounded corner, I'll make it 15. So you can see this is what I did. So you can see, yeah, I think just compare something. So to say configure one. All right, so come back to this again. So I would like to do something about it concerning the tooltips. So what I need to do here, uh, because if you look at it now, it's showing two things. So what if I change the tooltip? I'll first of all come to this, then look at the tooltip. So I'll change it to default. So then I'll come to this side again, look for the tooltip. Okay, so instead of leaving it for custom tooltip, so I'll change it to Power BI tooltip. So all right, so you can see. So that is how I created this. Then in addition to this, like somebody asked me how did I create the icon, the information icon that is showing at the top of the where you can see the information about the visual. So something like this. So I have already downloaded the icon already, and this information you are seeing here have been created on this. If you come to this now, this is the information that I've created. That is, I name it quantity months. So and I make this page as a tooltip. If you look at this page now, if you come to this, you can see that the cover setting is on tooltips. So I can channel it to it. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to work on it again. So what I want to do, and there is one measure I created that is zero. So I created this zero measure because I want to make use of it. So I say zero now is equals to blank. So that is if I want to create that icon, I'll make use of this new this guide visual. So what do I need to do? Um, I'll first of all I'll I'll add the zero to it to the data. So I don't really need it. I don't need the value. I'll just turn it off. Even the label, I don't need it. I'll turn it off. Then come to the okay, I'll go to the card. I want to remove I don't need the border. I don't need the background. So now the next thing I need to do um is to turn on the image. So I've already downloaded the icon already. So if you look at I have the icon already. That is icon 8 information 52. So I got it from icon 8. So you can search for it, or you can also get it from the flat icon. So I'll just take it to this. Then I can still work on it to balance it well. Um, I don't need space. Uh, the size. So now I've done this now. So I would like to add the tooltip. So what I need to do, click on this setting, then come to general, come to tooltip. So sorry, it's head off. So I'll turn on the tooltips. So I'll select the page. So I already have the page. The page is quantity months. So I'll say report page. Then I'll come to this quantity months. So if I hover on it now, it will display. So that is how I created this lollipop chart. Thank you for watching.